In your transition backpack, you're going to be given 2 board books that you can read with your child. Reading with your child's great. It teaches them print awareness, it teaches them language and communication skills, and so many other skills in reading. You're also going to be given a bookmark. So it has some tips on the back of what you can do when you read with your child, so be sure to check that out. As I read along to our story today, be sure to pay attention to the questions I ask because you can use those to read any story at home. Today we're going to be reading Brown Bear, What Do You See? The author is Bill Martin Jr. That means he wrote the words. And the illustrator is Eric Carl. That means he drew the pictures. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Let's turn the page. What is this? It's a red bird. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. What color is this duck? It's yellow. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. What does a horse say? It says neigh, neigh. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. What does a cat say? It says meow. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. There's a fish. Where do you find a fish? That's right, they live in the water. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? Let's see what they see. We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. And when the story's over, you can go back with your child and ask them what their favorite animal was. You can ask them other questions about the story as well to see how they remember the story.